Hi, my name's Rachel Garrett. I'm the Managing Director here at CMG Technologies, and today we're very proud to be announcing our partnership with 3DGBIRE and BASF, which will be launching on the 20th of September. We are going to be debinding and sintering 3D metal printed parts using the BASF ultrafuse filament system. Here at CMG Technologies, we are internationally renowned specialists in a technology known as metal injection moulding, often referred to as MIM. MIM combines the design freedom of plastic injection moulding with the tenacity and strength of steel. We make metal behave like a plastic by buying metal in powder form and mixing it with plastics and binders. This creates a feedstock which we can then injection mould into complex shapes in mould tools that we've manufactured in-house. We've been buying feedstock from BASF for well over 10 years, and the main one we use is stainless steel 17-4. So when BASF approached us about their ultrafuse filament system and the potential that it has within the 3D printing arena, we were incredibly excited, and it just felt a very natural progression.
Hi, I'm Daniel Abram, the General Manager of 3DGBIRE, and I'm delighted to announce our partnership with CMG Technologies. They are going to be able to offer our customers a debinding and sintering service right here in the UK, and that means our customers can print a green part, send it to them, and they will receive back a 96% dense metal part, and that service will be very quick and efficient, all within the UK.
Once customers have bought the filament and printed their components are then sent to us here at CMG Technologies to carry out the final stages of turning the printed part into a solid metal component. So we'll be doing the debinding of the components, and we will sinter them. We have a team of senior engineers who are highly qualified, have been involved in metal injection moulding for well over 25 years. Their knowledge in the debinding and sintering of metal injection moulded parts is second to none, and this knowledge transfers very cleanly across to the debinding and sintering of 3D printed parts, which will ensure that we produce parts to highest quality and will enable us to provide customers with knowledge, expertise and support that may be required.